everybody, do you know what this is? Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri. Today I will show you how to make dorayaki. This one. And people in the United States may not know this anime cartoon character in Japan. He is very popular. He is actually cat, robot cat from the future. And I grown up with manga, which is his comic book, and they become a TV series. And why am I showing him? Because his name is Doraemon, and his favorite food is dorayaki. And I'm showing you today how to make dorayaki. Dorayaki is, again, it's really popular food in Japan. If you go to Japanese grocery store, you may be able to find it's already made dorayaki, and you can buy it. Usually like 5 dorayaki in a package, and you can buy it. But actually where I'm living right now, I cannot buy it, so I have to make it. Then I just made a YouTube video about daifuku mochi, and I have more Anko, so I decided to make dorayaki because I can use those Anko that I already made. So it is like a Japanese pancake with Anko, and it is really like a pancake, but the ingredients is a little different, and it's interesting. So I'll show you how to do it now. This is the other tip, that's when you cook pancakes, use low heat. This is very important to make pancake very beautiful color for the one side. And if you have too high heat, it's very easily to make it too brown and more likely black and burn. So be careful. you to put in the plastic bag or wrap over it or the wet towel over it so that pancake moisture not gonna go away and the pancake itself not gonna be dry. This is very important for this recipe. Hope you enjoy my video, and I really hope you make this recipe and try to new Japanese sweets taste. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe so that I will continue making my videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!